So I'm going to start with the is of, what is of sheet. All right, so the big thing to remember here is the word what means X. The word of means times, and the word is means equals. Another thing to remember is decimals go in equations, not percents. And then, so with those things in mind, I just go through each one of these questions and kind of turn it into an equation. So the word what, well, that means X. The word is, that means equals. 13%, I can't put a percent into an equation, so I changed it to a decimal, so 0.13. And I did that either by dividing that by 100, or you can think about it as moving that decimal over 2 spots. And then the word of means times, and 141 is, means 141. And then your job is just to get X by itself. So here X is by itself, and you just do 0.13 times 141, and that'll be your answer. But they can set up a little bit differently. So like in number 2, 119 is 119, then the word is means equals, 0.87, because I got to make it into a decimal. Of means times, and then what is what we're looking for, so that's X. And you got to get X by itself, right? So that's just, right now X being multiplied by 0.87, so I'm going to divide by 0.87. And then whatever that is my answer. Does that make sense? Fair enough. So if I switch to the percent change one, so the percent change formula equals the change over the original. So you find the amount that it changed, and then you divide it by the starting amount. So from 34 to 20, I'm not even worried about positive or negative. I know that's a decrease. I know if I go from 34 to 20, I got smaller, so I'm just going to remember that it's a decrease. And I'm going to worry about how far apart are these two numbers. Well, they're 14, so that was the change. And then the original, if I started, so I went from 34 to 20, my original is 34. And then you divide those, and you do the decimal, and then we're going to turn that decimal into a percent. You got a calculator handy? 0.4 something. Oh, wait, I can see it. So it's 0.412. The answer's on the freaking board. And so you turn that into a percent, and it's 41.2%. And then you just remember to write the word decrease there. That up? Well, I'll keep going. So, same idea. I want to do the change divided by the original. And I know this is an increase because I went up. So from 37 to 94, numbers get bigger. So the change is subtract those two. So figure out how far apart they are. So do 94 minus 37. And the original is your 37 because that's the from. That's what you started with. That'll get you a decimal. It should get you, it looks like 1.541. And then to turn that into a percent, we're going to multiply by 100 or move the decimal over 2 spots. And that's where they're getting the 151.4%. That is an increase. All right. So there's a couple of each. If that doesn't help, please let me know so I can come and sit with you a little bit and help you more.